We'll guide you through how to set up VS Code on your computer. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your web browser and navigate to the official Visual Studio Code website by typing code.visualstudio.com. Once you're there, you'll see a big download button on the homepage. Click on it, and it should automatically detect your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac, or Linux, and download the appropriate installer for you. After the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder, and double-click it to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions, and when prompted, make sure to check the options to add Open with Code to the Windows Explorer file context menu, and to register the code as an editor for supported file types. These options make it easier to open files directly in VS Code with just a right click. Once the installation is complete, you can launch VS Code by finding it in your Applications or Start menu. When you open it for the first time, you'll see a welcome page with various options. Take a moment to explore the interface. You can customize the appearance by clicking on the gear icon at the bottom left and selecting Themes. To enhance your coding experience, you'll want to install some extensions. Click on the Extensions icon in the sidebar, which looks like 4 squares, and search for popular extensions like Prettier for code formatting or Live Server to preview your HTML files in real time. After installing your desired extensions, you're all set up to start coding with VS Code. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.